Our topic is system connections. How processor, memory, and input and output all together connected, right? So you see here, some memory has address pins and data pins and write pin and read pin. All these are connected to processor, address pins and data pins and read and write pins respectively. So similarly, input device has address pins and data pins and read pin. So this is also connected to the address pins and data pin and read pin through the address wires and data wires and read signal wire. Similarly, output device also data pins D0 to D7, A0 to A7 and write signal. So these address pins and data pins and write pins are connected to the data pins, address pins and write pins of the processor, right? So instead of showing the wires individually, so they are shown with bus. So address bus means group of wires carrying address bits. Data bus means group of wires carrying data bits. Okay. So when you look at the processor function, it will issue the sequential address to the address bus and read signal to the memory. So all the instruction byte IP0 and IP1, all instructions are transferred through the data pins, through the data bus, through the data pins of processor enters into the processor. All the instruction bytes are executed sequentially. So processor sends a sequential address 00, 001, 002 like this. So in this way all instruction bytes are transferred through the data bus. Enters into processor, all the instructions are executed by the processor. Then if the instruction is input read instruction, right, it will send the address of the input device with address bus to the input device and sends the read signal also. From the input device, data is transferred from data pin D0 to D7 pins and through the data bus and data enters into the processor. So this is input read operation. Similarly, output write operation. So processor sends the address of the address of the output device through the address device and sends sends the data to be written and places it on the data bus and sends the write signal to the output device. Then so whatever data available on data bus, that is transferred to the output device. So this is all about complete system connections along with processor, memory, address pins and data pins, address and input device and output device and memory and processor connections. So this is all about system connections.